Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2006 Yamaha YZF-R1 50th anniversary livery. It's got a really cool metallic or chrome blue windscreen, Woodcraft engine covers, Sato Racing rear sets, 31,655 miles on this beautiful condition R1 superbike, only $59.90. This bike is priced to sell quickly, so don't let this one pass you by. Oh, it's also got adjustable levers. Just went through the service department. It's got a 50-point safety check. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.